Hey guys, it's LILAK STYLZtas here again and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button for great and amazing content. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways to style a button-up shirt into a crop top. So guys, if you want to see how I go about this, please keep on watching. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and find this video very helpful and useful. Please do not forget to let me know what you think about this hack down in the comment section below. To see more of my shirt styling hacks, please check out the video attached on the end screen. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.